So here we're demonstrating accident detection and alerting system through Node MCU. So here we are going to detect the accident with the help of this tilt sensor and also driver health parameters like heartbeat from this pulse sensor, and also inside the car humidity, temperature. These four parameters continuously monitored by this Node MCU, and based on the abnormal conditions from the tilt sensor or heartbeat sensor, whenever the heart rate of the person is above 95 beats per minute, then the system will on the LED indication on this Node MCU, and it will send the message alert to the registered mobile phone numbers. So here we are demonstrating with this number, and so this is the message we are going to receive when the accident detected, and if the heart rate is above 95 beats per minute, then we'll receive this kind of message, and that particular message consists of heart rate, humidity, temperature, and what is the message alert, whether it is a accident alert or high heart rate alert. So we have interfaced this pulse sensor at A0 pin of our Node MCU and GSM module at transmitting receiving pin of our Node MCU, and DST11 at D4th pin and D3rd pin interface to the tilt sensor. So here we are providing 12 volts DC input to this GSM model, and from there we are distributing the 5 volts power supply throughout this breadboard. So from here we are going to distributing the 5 volts power supply throughout the input and output modules. So here the input modules are sensors and output module is the LED indication along with GSM module. So before on the kit, insert a valid SIM card. Better to use the Airtel or VI. Better to use the SIM adapter with the bigger adapter. No, don't use the nano or micro, and insert that into the slots and gently push and forward, so it will be lock position. So after that, on the power supply to this GSM module. Right. So it will take maximum 10 to 15 seconds for booting. On successfully booting, so this light will be getting on and off 2 times on this Node MCU. And at the same time, this particular green light should blink slowly. Initially you can observe that initially it blinks at duration of 1 second. Now it is blinking at a duration of 3 seconds. Right. So coming to this tilting one. So when the tilting occurred, we can see the LED indication on this accident sensor. So whenever the tilting is greater than the 45 degrees, then the system is sending message alert to the registered mobile phone number. As you can see that there is a LED indication over here. So it will take maximum 10 seconds of duration to receive the SMS. Right, so if you didn't get the message, just reset this switch. So there is a reset switch over here, we can see that. So there is a reset switch, so you can restart this. Okay, just press and release the below switch. So then it will take around 15 seconds for the booting again. So then onwards it will detect the abnormalities from the sensors and it will send the message alerts. So the LED blinking on this Node MCU will show the status of it is working, means it is the loop execution between the sensors. So when to make the abnormality, just move the finger on the sensor. Right. So just to make the abnormal heart rate, the light gets switched on and it's sending the message. So when it is off, the messages will be sent to the registered mobile phone numbers. Right. So we got the message now, high heart rate and the heart rate readings, humidity and temperature. So in this manner we are going to detect the accidents with help of tilt sensor and driver health condition.